Shout out to everyone that got a lot this way. This is the Upnlive show. Each and every week we bring to you, I guess, a special edition to the Flames Radio Street Team as well, right here in UK. And this week, our very, very special guest is a brand new artist, and he's doing crazy things, and he's happened to spare some time to come and see us on the Upnlive show this evening. This is the one and only man himself, A6SCARLETT. Welcome to the Upnlive show,
Welcome,
sir.
my brother. You saying you good, yeah?
Yeah, I'm good, you know. I keep messing the name up. I keep saying G6.
A6, Aaron. Aaron's my real name. Scarlett, my family name. And A6, that's my number there.
Okay, so that explains it. Because I was wondering why this A6. I'm wondering, is it a car that you like? Is it a house or something? I don't know. What's good? Are you from the UK?
Yeah, I'm from the UK, yeah.
Okay.
East London. Who from Slow?
So for those of you who's watching and who's listening at home right now, who's never heard or never seen A6SCARLETT, can you just introduce yourself for the listeners to tell them what type of artist you are and what music you do?
Well, I'm a unique artist. I say I'm a songwriter. I write to anything. If a music's banging, it's banging. I have no type. I have no genre that I work in. You get me? But when you hear me, you'll know man's an animal.
It's an animal.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you've been working quite a few different projects of recently.
Yeah.
This one that's playing in the background is it featuring? Is it REECE?
Reece Jackson. It's Reece Jackson and A6SCARLETT both together.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's a combination, basically.
Combination, yeah.
Okay. So how long you been doing this music thing?
Well, I've been writing for quite a long time, but taking it proper seriously for the last 2 years.
Only for the last 2 years.
Yeah, last 2 years.
So
yeah.
what you been doing? You've been writing songs, giving it to people or what?
It's not being focused, really. You get me? That you know how life is. You're just chasing other things, but really,
You're chasing the girls, the minute. I mean, that's what you do. You're chasing the girls.
I ain't been chasing the right things, but yeah, I've been on the right path so far. You can follow me up by @ A6SCARLETT. You can check out my Insta. Get me popping off right now. You'll see what man's on.
I can see that.
Yeah?
I can see that. But you're particularly a hip hop grime artist, so to speak. Am I right?
I'm a songwriter. I bring a song meaning.
Okay.
Any song you hear, I make it meaningful. I always bring something that means something. I don't just write for the sake of writing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I've been listening to your songs, and you gave me 2 songs basically, and they're 2 kind of different.
Yeah, different
direction.
Yeah. Different.
So when I heard the first one, I'm like, okay, it's that type of artist. When I heard another one, I'm like, I kind of
That's what I mean. That's what I mean. I'm a songwriter. I can go from any. Get me? If a song's a banger, it's a banger. Like this is more slow.
Yeah.
What would you call this? More bashment dancehall.
Yeah, a bit grimy. It's like a bit groovy, I should say.
Yeah, a bit groovy, isn't it? Yeah.
So which side do you prefer? You prefer the writing side, or you prefer the performing side?
Oh, I like them both. Songwriting, that's what comes to me when I'm just chilling. Get me holding a little wave.
Yeah.
And performing, that's me partying. That's me being myself. You get me?
Any songs that to note that I can ask you've written before, or any projects that you've been a part of before? We can, or you don't want to say? I don't want to mess up your money, you know, because you probably get money from these artists. I don't want to mess that up. But if you can say,
no. That's all on the quiet. That's all the quiet things still. So what I got presenting to you now, that's what I'm about to release for 2018.
Okay.
Myself, yeah.
So these are brand new tracks. You have
brand new
released them.
tracks. Yeah. They're not released yet. None of them. They're just about to be released. 2018. You're gonna see me featuring Cadet. Or if you know who Cadet is.
Yeah, we know who Cadet is, of course.
Yeah,
but
Well,
you're making connection. That's what I'm saying. When I saw the title and I think, I'm like, you making connection, and it's like, it's not easy to get a song with these kind of players, because we know the industry is.
Trust, I hear that. That. I'm a unique artist. Obviously, as you're gonna hear me, I'm different. I'm gonna stand out between the thousands that are out there. You get me?
Yeah, I can see that. I can tell that. So talk us through your upcoming in the music. What introduced you to the music? Was it a thing that was around you, or are you just doing it because your friends were doing it? How did it start for you?
Well, it's more of a natural ability, you know.
Okay.
It's just come to me naturally. Like I've been able to just find meaning to a song, and the way man can deliver the lyrics, I'm powerful.
Yeah.
So and that's it. I've been hard from since I was young. Been hard from ever since I was young, but obviously, as you know, there's thousands of people in the industry, and it's hard to like be seen.
It is. It's like a blanket. So you just have to just try to find your way through.
Trust. Once I get that little bit of light, that's it. Man's gone. Time you hear a man like me, that's it.
So who you looking forward to working to in the future? If a big name comes, which big name would you like to come to you first?
What big name? What big artist out
A
there?
big artist out there, yeah.
Well, boy, I'm about making money really, so I want Justin Bieber.
Just so that's
Live in the mix.
that's different. Man said Justin Bieber. Nothing wrong with Justin Bieber.
No, I'm joking.
But
yeah.
that's all right though. That's all right. Nothing is wrong with that. What I'm just saying is just that's the sort of the box really.
Artists that I like, you're talking about. The artists that I like out there right now. Who am I feeling? I like Wretch 32, you know, he's deep
Yeah.
still. Yeah, he's deep. That new album that he dropped, yeah, I rate that still.
Yeah, everybody.
Let me want to lick.
Everybody love Rich 3-2 music because it's more than just songs. They're songs with meaning.
Yeah, definitely. That's what I'm about. I'm about meaning.
Like, that's what I get from the first track that you sent me. And we're gonna be playing the first track because this song, as I'm saying different things here on the radio. But this song that you sent me earlier on, the one that says with Cadet, is it
Cadet,
Lemon?
yeah, Cadet, Lemon Piff Piff.
Okay.
Yeah.
What we're gonna do? We're gonna play this song.
Mm.
So could you just introduce the song for everyone that's listening?
Yeah, this is A6SCARLETT featuring Cadet, Lemon Piff Piff. You see me? A6SCARLETT. My lemon piff piff, my phone bang bang, my whip skeet skeet. My money wants to talk about me. Imagine if my things can talk. Just imagine if my things can talk. I say my lemon piff piff, my phone bang bang.
TEBELOT has just arrived.
Talk about.
Yeah, she's just arrived.
Imagine
Looking all.
talk. Just imagine if my things can talk.
She's smiling now, yeah.
Piff piff, my phone.
All bougie, yeah.
My whip skeet skeet. My money wants to talk about me.
So if you just joined us, we've just been talking to A6SCARLETT and he's still been here. We just played one of his songs right now. The song is called Lemon Piff Piff. Is that right?
Piff piff, yeah.
That's right. And it's available right now on iTunes, right?
It's not available. It's going to be available for 2018.
That's right. So you heard it first right here on Upnlive show on Flames Radio. Yes. But before we get into the talking again, I just want to ask my co-host a question. Where have you been?
I'm sick.
You're sick?
Yeah, I don't want to give no one my jams. I'm sorry if you lot are sick this winter. It's my fault. Like my throat, everything, I'm finished. I need some rum.
Need some rum? I got rum beach right here, yeah?
Drenching down soup, pepper soup, everything. I need some rum.
No, you need some. Give her somebody. Give her a
So
cup.
ill.
Let's give her a cup and give her some rum beats so she
Man,
can yeah. Give her get her things together.
I'm not that late. Only an hour.
Only an hour, you know.
I'm literally dressed like I'm ready to go into a snow fight.
She actually dressed. So if you're watching us right now, if you're online, if you're on the Flames website, you can log on to www.flamesradio.co.uk and you can see what we actually be doing inside the studio each and every week. You can watch us. So everybody that's watching online right now, good evening to you. If you're at home watching and you can see who's in the studio right here. We also have the man himself, A6SCARLETT. He's on his phone checking his timeline to see what's popping. What's next for you, brother? What's next?
What after these two projects?
Yeah, what for these? Are you going to be promoting them on the street? Are you going to be doing shows or anything?
Yeah, we're going to start being in the Lemon Piff Piff shows, and we're going to bring out the videos to these two songs here, Wine Pon Me and Lemon Piff Piff. That's what you're going to see first from me.
Talk us through in the making of this one, Lemon Piff Piff, because this also had Cadet. Is it Cadet on it?
Yeah,
right?
Cadet. Yeah, Cadet.
Yeah. So talk us through the making of this one.
What, this rhythm here? Well, I done a black box freestyle.
Yeah.
Have you seen it?
I haven't seen it yet.
Yeah, you can. If you put YouTube A6SCARLETT, you can see my black box freestyle. I basically did this freestyle now, and then Cadet see the thing and see the song, and he was like, "Yeah, he wanted to know more about the song," and I'm basically saying, "Yeah, I'm about to release it." That's it. Hook up from there, boom.
But that was magic. So that means you actually get the attention with your craft, not with just gimmicks or someone hooking you up. So.
No, you gotta work the social media. For all artists, you gotta work the social media thing. If you see A6SCARLETT, you see my things popping. You gotta work it. You get me? When more people see that your thing's popping and it's sounding hard, they wanna do. They wanna.
Yeah, get involved.
Yeah, they wanna get involved.
That's right. But we like what we see, and I do wish you the best, and I know that there's going to be great things coming for 2018 because I can see the work ethic and I can see what you're doing behind the scene, not just with just the music. There's other things that I may not say on air, but I do see what you're doing and it's working.
Definitely. We're rising.
Definitely. So anybody out there want to send the last shout outs to before we go?
Yeah, big up my whole team that's out there still. Everyone's locked in. I ain't gonna say no names, you get me? You see us at the top soon, you see it?
That's right. And how they can find you and find your music online?
At A6SCARLETT on Insta. Twitter's a bit dead nowadays. Facebook, I'm not really on that. But Insta, I'm there.
I can see
Yeah?
that. That's right. That's A6SCARLETT. He was here on the Upnlive show, and do look forward for the visuals for this one. It's going to be on the website. Go on to www.worldmag.com. Click onto the Upnlive banner. You can see all the previous video, and he's going to be there as well. And do people follow him on Instagram. You won't be disappointed. And ladies, as he said, get into the DMs. Right? Is that right? Good.
Yeah,
Upnlive on your radio. Keep it locked. This is. You want to say something before we go?
Got the singer over here with that wine for me, REECE Jackson.
The singer just reached.
He just reached. My man's a little bit late still.
It's
But
a bit-
he there. You can jump on the mic right now.
Let's just give him a quick plug. How can we find you and find your music, the singer as well? And he is a part of, is this Reese?
Yeah, Reece Jackson.
Quickly, if you could just tell us quickly about yourself and your music, quickly.
Just from West London, just a singer. You can find me on Instagram, Reece Jackson Music, SoundCloud, Reece Jackson as well, and there's more to come.
Okay, like how you've been late, we're going to put you to the test, right? Can you just give us something a cappella on the microphone? Because you just arrived. Just give us a quick cameo. The microphone is yours. The stage is all set. This is the one and only Reese right here live on the Open Show. Let's go. It's all you, brother.
I'm just going to freestyle and make up some random words, just put everything together, you see me? All right. I don't know why I'm so late. I am so late because of the train. I came from work. My boy took time. Oh, okay. Oh, we going here. Okay. All right, we got to go there. Hey. Okay. I'm so late. But I'm here. I'm so late. I'm so late. Where my brother A6SCARLETT, yeah, we here. Where my brother A6SCARLETT, yeah, we here. Reece Jackson in the building. Reece Jackson in the building.
Listen, I can see the levels. I can see the talent. I wish you were a bit earlier, but thank you very much for passing through. Quick plug, can you tell me how you find you on social media? You on social media?
Yeah, social media, Instagram, Reece Jackson Music, Facebook, Reece Jackson Music, Reece Jackson on SoundCloud,
I want to change the name to Reece Jackson, the late one.
All right.